Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. So today I create this 4-strand braid hairstyle. So let's get started into the video. First of all, take a comb and comb thoroughly your hair that there are no tangles of your hair. Okay, next take a side partition of your hair and take a small section from top like so. Top section divided into 3 equal parts. Now cross the front section over to the middle section and cross to back section over to middle section. Okay, again add some more hair into front section and cross over the middle section. Now back section, cross over the middle section. Do not add into any hair. Okay, this is called French lace braid. I already make a tutorial on that French lace braid hairstyle, so please check my other videos also. Please subscribe to my channel guys, okay, or watching this video also, that is French lace braid. Okay, this process continues till reach your ear end and braid it normally. For remaining hair, braid it normally. Okay, this is called French lace braid. Now take an elastic and secure it at the end of the braid. Okay, now pull out the strands. It will give bouncy look of your braid. Okay, now take a tic tac pin and fix it at the back side of that braid. Okay, now coming to other side, take some small section of hair and twist it, and again add some more hair and again twist it, and again add some more hair and again twist it. Take a tic tac pin and fix it at the back side. Okay, now gather all our hair into one side and divide it into 4 equal parts. Okay, these are the 4 equal parts. First one part innermost strand and fourth part is outermost strand. Okay, now take the innermost strand, cross over to second strand like so. Okay, now that strand, innermost strand, cross under to the third strand. Okay, under to the third strand. Okay, again innermost strand, cross over to the outermost strand. Okay, this is the procedure to follow the fourth strand braid. Now take innermost strand, cross over the second strand and cross under the third strand and cross over the fourth strand. Okay, this is called fourth strand braid. Okay, first strand goes to over, under and over to the next strands. Okay, now the braid making completely. Okay, now pull out the strands, innermost and outermost strands only. Okay, it will give nice look of your braid. Okay, now take an elastic and secure it at the end. So this is 4 strand braid, guys. If you like this, please like my videos, give it big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Hit the bell icon, never miss another update. So like and share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys, please.